What if the reason stubborn belly fat feels so difficult to lose has less to do with willpower and more to do with what is happening inside your body? Most people blame themselves. They blame age. They blame slow metabolism. They blame calories. But there is something many people never think about. The liver. Your liver is not just a filter. It helps control how your body handles fat, sugar, digestion, and energy. Every time you eat, your liver helps decide whether that energy will be used or stored. When the liver is working well, it helps process fats efficiently and supports steady energy and healthy digestion. But when the liver is under pressure from too much sugar, processed foods, alcohol, and constant overeating, it may become less efficient. Over time, fat can begin to build up in and around the liver. Many people do not realize this is happening because fatty liver disease often causes no symptoms in the beginning. But over time, some people may notice small clues that their body is not working as smoothly as it used to. They may feel more bloated after meals. They may feel heavy, sluggish, or tired. They may find that stubborn belly fat becomes harder to lose than before. These symptoms do not always mean there is a liver problem, but they can be signs that the body is not processing food and energy as efficiently as it should. The good news is that certain roots have been used for centuries as part of traditional diets and remedies to support digestion and overall liver health. They are not magic. They do not melt fat overnight. But when used consistently, alongside better eating habits and less sugar, they may help support the body in a more natural way. Today, you will discover 5 roots that may help support digestion, liver health, and a healthier metabolism. Ginger, the root that may help wake up digestion. When most people think of ginger, they think of an ingredient in tea or cooking. But ginger has been used for hundreds of years to support digestion and reduce nausea. Today, some research suggests that ginger may also help support healthy metabolism and help some people feel less bloated after meals. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols and showgales. These compounds may help support circulation and reduce inflammation in the body. Because digestion and circulation are closely connected to metabolism, some people find that ginger helps them feel lighter and more comfortable. If you often feel heavy after eating, bloated, or sluggish, ginger may be a simple place to start. Many people notice that after a few days of using ginger regularly, they feel less puffy and less uncomfortable around the stomach. This does not mean ginger is burning fat directly. But when you feel less bloated and your digestion works better, it can become easier to make healthier choices and stay consistent. How to use ginger. One of the easiest ways to use ginger is as a simple tea. Add about 1 inch of fresh sliced or grated ginger to a cup of hot water. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then drink it slowly. You can also combine ginger with lemon in warm water in the morning. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. Juice from half a lemon. 1 cup warm water. Drink it before breakfast. The ginger may help support digestion, while the lemon may make the drink more refreshing. Ginger can be a helpful part of a healthy routine, but it is not a miracle. It works best when combined with better food choices and less sugar. Turmeric, the golden root for inflammation and liver support. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years in traditional cooking and medicine. It is often called the golden root because of its bright yellow color. But the real reason turmeric gets so much attention is because it contains a natural compound called curcumin. Curcumin has been studied for its anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation can play a role in many health problems, including the way the body handles fat and sugar. When the liver is under stress, inflammation may make it harder for the body to process food efficiently. Some studies suggest that curcumin may help support liver health and may help the body manage inflammation more effectively. This does not mean turmeric can clean or repair the liver overnight. But as part of a healthy routine, it may help support the body's normal processes. Why black pepper matters. Turmeric works best when combined with black pepper. That is because the body has difficulty absorbing curcumin on its own. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which may help the body absorb much more of the curcumin. Without black pepper, much of the turmeric may simply pass through the body. How to use turmeric. To make a simple turmeric drink, add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, a small pinch of black pepper. 1 cup warm water or herbal tea. Drink it once a day. You can also add a little ginger for extra digestive support. Many people notice that after a few weeks, they feel less heavy after meals and less bloated. Again, this does not mean turmeric is directly melting fat. But when the body feels less inflamed and digestion improves, it may become easier to feel better overall. Dandelion root, the overlooked root that may help digestion. Most people think of dandelions as weeds. But dandelion root has been used for centuries in traditional remedies for digestion and fluid balance. One reason people use dandelion root is because it may help support bile flow. Bile is a fluid made by the liver that helps the body break down fats. When bile flow is sluggish, some people may feel bloated, heavy, or uncomfortable after meals. Dandelion root may help support the body's natural digestive process. It has also traditionally been used as a gentle natural diuretic, which means it may help the body release extra fluid. That is why some people notice that they feel less puffy and less bloated after using it. This is not the same thing as losing body fat, but reducing water retention and improving digestion can help the body feel lighter and more comfortable. The combination that many people like. Many people combine ginger, turmeric, dandelion root. These three roots may support the body in different ways. Ginger may help digestion. Turmeric may help with inflammation balance. Dandelion root may help support bile flow and fluid balance. Together, they may fit into a healthy routine better than using only one root alone. How to use dandelion root. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root in hot water for about 10 minutes. Drink it in the evening after dinner or before bed. Some people find that it helps them wake up feeling lighter the next morning. Burdock root, the forgotten root for the gut-liver connection. Burdock root is one of the most forgotten traditional roots. For many years, it was used to support digestion and general wellness. What makes burdock root interesting is that it may support both the gut and the liver. The gut and liver are closely connected. When digestion is poor, the liver often has to work harder. Burdock root contains fiber and plant compounds that may help support healthy digestion and healthy gut bacteria. Because of this, some people use burdock root as part of a routine to support the body's natural digestive process. The gentle way to use burdock root. One of the easiest ways to use burdock root is as an overnight cold steep. Place a few thin slices of fresh or dried burdock root into a glass of water. Leave it overnight. Drink the water the next morning. Many people find this gentler and easier to drink than strong herbal tea. The 3-root morning blend. Most people look for one miracle ingredient, but the body does not work that way. Digestion, inflammation, bile flow, and metabolism all work together. That is why many people prefer to combine several roots instead of depending on only one. A simple morning blend may include 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon dandelion root tea or burdock root tea, a small pinch of black pepper, 1 cup warm water. Drink it slowly before breakfast. This blend does not melt fat overnight, but by supporting digestion, inflammation balance, and bile flow, it may help your body work more efficiently over time. The coffee mistake many people make. Many people drink a healthy morning drink and then immediately follow it with a large coffee full of sugar, flavored syrups, and creamers. The issue is not coffee itself. In fact, moderate amounts of plain black coffee have been linked in some studies with better liver health. The real problem is the extra sugar and calories added to coffee. Too much sugar can work against your goals and place more pressure on the body. A better approach is to drink your root drink first. Wait 30 to 60 minutes, then have coffee if you want it. And if you do drink coffee, try to keep it simple. A simple 30-day plan. During the first week, start with ginger tea once a day and reduce sugary drinks and processed foods. In the second week, continue with the ginger and add turmeric with black pepper. In the third week, add dandelion root tea or burdock root in the evening. In the fourth week, begin using the full 3-root blend in the morning. Many people notice less bloating, better digestion, less heaviness after meals, more stable energy. Real change happens slowly. The people who notice the biggest difference are usually the ones who stay patient and consistent. Who should be careful. These roots are not right for everyone. People taking blood thinners should be careful with ginger and turmeric. People with gallbladder problems should be careful with turmeric and dandelion root. Pregnant women and people with serious liver disease, diabetes, or regular medications should speak with a doctor before using these roots regularly. Natural does not always mean risk-free. The best approach is to use these roots carefully and as part of a healthy lifestyle. Sometimes the body does not need another crash diet. Sometimes it needs better habits and support for the systems that help handle food, fat, and energy. Which root surprised you the most? Ginger, turmeric, dandelion, or burdock? Tell me in the comments. And if you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who has been struggling with stubborn belly fat and wants a more natural and realistic approach.